Have you ever wanted to see a rolling calculation on your Tableau Pulse card, only to get stuck trying to make it work? You're not alone. Tableau Pulse doesn't support table calculations directly. That's just a limitation, but it doesn't mean it's not possible. We just need to prepare the data differently. The solution is to pre-build the rolling calculation before Pulse sees the data using Tableau Prep, where we shape and structure everything the way Pulse needs it. In Prep, we load the data, perform row-level calculations, aggregate it at the month-year level, and then compute the rolling 12-month logic. Once ready, we publish the output to Tableau Cloud and connect it to Pulse. From there, setting up the metric is simple. Define the measure and time dimension, configure time settings, set goals and thresholds, enable insights, and manage permissions. And that's it. A rolling 12-month win rate, live on your Tableau Pulse card. Next time Pulse feels limiting, don't fight it. Work around it. With the right data prep, you can unlock far more than you think.